Your phone is disgusting. There are a dozen studies out there saying that toilet seats are cleaner than our phones. That means there's a lot of sicknesses going around right now. The cold, the flu, and that little thing from China that can live on surfaces for 9 days and will put you in a 2-week quarantine. So when was the last time you cleaned your cell phone? I don't mean cleaning the screen with your hot, nasty breath. I mean, when was the last time you actually disinfected your phone? Can't remember? Neither can I. So today I'm showing you how to properly clean your cell phone. In this video, I am going to show you 3 different ways to clean your cell phone. The first way is the easiest way, but it's also the most expensive way. So the first way I recommend cleaning your phone is with a UV phone sanitizer. This is kind of like a tanning bed for your phone. It uses ultraviolet light to disinfect your phone. All you do is grab your cell phone and put it in the UV bed, which I don't have, and I'm showing some footage right now from some products, and it will time how long your phone needs to be in there to be completely clean of all the germs, and then it's done. It's good to go in just a few minutes. Now, if you have a case on your cell phone, you're going to want to take that case off and clean those separately so you can know that your whole phone and your case are free of germs and are good to go. Now, I don't actually have one of these UV cases, but I am putting some links in the description below to some highly rated ones on Amazon. Now, another cool thing about these phone sanitizers is that they don't just clean phones, they can be used to clean other knickknacks around your house, like house keys, which are breeding grounds for germs as well. Now, there are 2 other ways to clean your phone that I'm going to go over today, and they include using some alcohol and some gentle hand soap, just some gentle cleanser. So these are the products you're going to need to do that. You're going to need a bowl to mix your your alcohol in or your soap. You're going to need some microfiber towels so they won't scratch your phone. You're going to need some of this. This is isopropyl alcohol, and we have some typical hand soap. This is the foamy kind, just like this. It doesn't matter which kind of soap you use, as long as it cleans, it's good to go. And then you're just gonna need some warm water, which I have boiled and let cool for a little bit, so it is just lukewarm right now. And you're also gonna need some cotton swabs or some Q-tips to clean the crevices of your phone, right here. And last but not least, you're obviously gonna need to use your cell phone. Now, the first way to clean your phone, I am going to show you how to do that by using some hand soap and some warm water. Now, what you're gonna do is grab a little bowl. You're gonna put a few pumps of soap in there, and then you're gonna mix it with some water. Make it like 70-30, so 30% soap, 70% water. And we have a nice little mixture. Then you're gonna grab one of your microfiber towels and get the towel wet. Don't put your phone in this, just get the towel wet and then work on cleaning your phone. Now, one thing I forgot to do is take my case off before we started. There we go. Because I'm gonna wanna clean my case too, because that thing is dirty. Perfect, so now that my case and my phone are separated, I've dipped my towel in the soapy water. We're gonna just get it a little bit more soapy now, and I'm just gonna go over my phone and just clean it. Okay, you're gonna wanna be careful not to get it into this speaker area right here, or if you have an Android, just watch out for little crevices in the front. You're gonna wanna wipe it off. Then we're gonna go to the back and do the same thing. Camera, the back. I'm gonna get a dry part of my towel and wipe it off. Now, if you're worried about soap or any other residue being left over after you're done cleaning your phone, you can always get just dip your towel in some of the water and rinse it off with straight water, and then use another towel to dry. Boom. That's how you clean your phone with soap and water. Now, if you want to clean your case, you can do it the same way by just dipping the towel in and cleaning the case, or you can just dip the whole case in your soap water solution. But since I don't have a bowl big enough to dip my case in, I'm just gonna do it by hand again. And now I have a case that is hopefully mostly germ-free. Okay, now we have cleaned our phones with soap, so I'm gonna move that out of the way. Next, I'm gonna show you how to clean your phone with some isopropyl alcohol. Now, this is probably not the best alcohol to use, or the best cleaning alcohol to use to clean your phone, because it does have winter green in there, but everybody's freaking out about that cold from China, so all of the normal isopropyl alcohol is gone. But what we're gonna do is open this up. We're gonna take off the cap from the inside. There we go. And our last solution was 30% soap and 70% water, and that's about what we're gonna do here as well. So let's just get some in there. Maybe a little bit more. I'm just gonna eyeball this because I don't think it's too important to get it exactly correct. Then you're gonna take your warm water and mix it 70-30. Shoo. Great. So after you make your solution that is 30% alcohol and 70% water, you're gonna take a microfiber towel and you're gonna dip it in the solution, and you're not gonna put your phone in the solution. Just dip it in there and you're gonna go over your phone like we did with the soap. Just dry it off. Now, one thing to note about this isopropyl alcohol is that it can wear down some of the chemical compounds on the screen or on any glass parts of your phone that will make it easier for your phone to have smudges or fingerprints. But call me crazy, I'd rather have fingerprints and smudges on my phone than get sick with any of the germs that are living on there. Now, if you want to clean your case with this solution, you can do the exact same thing. Just dip your towel in and clean your case. I'm double timing my case and my phone today. They're gonna be so clean, and they smell like winter green because that's the only alcohol solution that was left at Walmart. Okay. Then you're gonna dry your case off. You can let it air dry, or you can hand dry it with a towel, either way, but make sure your phone and case are completely dry before you put it back together, because if it's not, that could force some of this alcohol or water into places that your phone should not have water in. And we're all good to go. There. Let's see what else. Oh yes. So a few things to note while you're cleaning your phone. You may have wondered, but Sherry, what about all of these crevices on the bottom of my phone? Or even the speaker right here, how do I clean that? Well, what you can do is get a Q-tip and just lightly pass over those areas and get any dust or any gunk that's built up there. Now, I have never cleaned out my lightning port on my iPhone, but I know a bunch of people, specifically dudes, who have cleaned out that port multiple times and got lots of gunk out of there. They did it with a toothpick or with a Q-tip. Now, I don't recommend necessarily doing that yourself, but if you can see gunk and stuff in there, just go in very lightly and try and scrape it out, and then you will have a fully cleaned device, and your phone will be as good as new. Okay, the last tip I wanted to give you are these Zeiss wipes right here. Zeiss. There we go, Zeiss. These are cleaners for your mobile screen, for your cell phone, or for an iPad or computer screen or any sort of touch screen, but you can get them on Amazon. They're fairly inexpensive. Using these to clean your screen won't make your screen easier to smudge. Like the alcohol can break down the screen a little bit and leave fingerprints, these ice wipes won't do that. So if you want to go out and get these special wipes instead of just cleaning with soap or with isopropyl alcohol, you can get these wipes and clean your screen. Specifically, the directions on this say to air dry, but it will leave your phone streak free and fingerprint free when you're done cleaning it with this. I'll leave a link to these in the description below. Okay, so now I have showed you 3 different ways to clean your phone. The first way, the easiest way, is with a UV cleaner that you can get online from any big box retailer like Walmart, Amazon, or Best Buy. The second way was using soap and water. Now what I did was just mix about 3 pumps of this, and I just made it 70-30, so 30% soap, 70% water. Then I used a microfiber towel to clean off my phone. Then I showed you how to use this Equate isopropyl alcohol, mixing that with some water, 70-30% mixture. And again, using a microfiber towel to clean your phone and case. Now, if you have any questions about how to clean your cell phones using any of these 3 tactics I showed you today, please let me know in the comments below. Drop a question and I'll answer them as best I can and as soon as I can. And let me know in the comments too, when's the last time you cleaned your phone? I'd be very interested to hear that, because I can honestly say the last time I cleaned my phone was just a few minutes ago when I cleaned it for the first time since getting it. Now, maybe that makes me gross. Sorry, not sorry, but that's just the way it is. Thanks for watching WhistleOut TV. I'm Sherry Riggs.